Welcome to this introduction of SEO testing. This is the first in a series of videos that will take you through each section of the app, with other videos going into more detail later on. When you log into SEO testing, you'll be greeted by the Launchpad. Here, you'll be able to get a quick overview of how all your websites are performing, and clicking on a site name will redirect you to the dashboard for that particular site. Notice that the left sidebar changes when you enter the dashboard, allowing you to access the various functionalities of SEO testing for that site. On the dashboard, you'll be greeted with your main performance chart, where you can see your organic search performance for both Google and Bing. At the bottom of the chart, you'll find buttons to allow you to show different metrics on the graph to suit your needs. Anything from your Bing performance to your site's performance on Google Discover can be shown here. Scrolling down on the dashboard, you'll also see an overview of your recent tests and how these are performing, your top pages and queries, any content groups that you have set up, and keywords that you're currently tracking, and any sitemaps that you're currently monitoring. And at the bottom of the dashboard, you'll see your ranking bucket section that shows how many queries you have ranking in positions 1 to 3, and so on. Scrolling back to the top of the dashboard, SEO testing also allows you to view your search performance data on a daily, weekly, and a monthly basis. This can help you spot trends more easily. You can also find the share button located in the actions drop-down that will allow you to create magic links. These links allow anyone to access that particular page or report without having to log in. Staying on the performance graph, SEO testing will also show any annotations you create and Google's confirmed algorithm updates. And if you click on an algorithm update, you'll be redirected to the Compare Pages report to see how your pages performed during the week before and the week after the algorithm update. For this particular site, I'll go through all areas of SEO testing functionality, starting with SEO tests. Clicking on the Tests tab on the left side navigation menu, you'll be redirected to the main test screen. Here, you'll see an overview of all your recent tests, along with other relevant information such as the test type and when the test was started. We have time-based tests that let you compare one time period against another for specific URLs or queries. These tests can be single tests, group tests, or URL switch tests. We also have SEO split tests where we compare control groups and test groups of URLs across the same period. We also allow you to run LLM tests. These work in the same way as time-based tests, measuring for 2 different time periods before and after a change has been made. Only this time we compare your session data from the main LLMs like ChatGPT and Gemini. We have videos that explain our time-based tests and SEO split tests in more detail, so be sure to check those out. The Annotations tab contains all of the notes that you've added to your SEO testing account to point out events that may impact search performance. We also have a video explaining annotations in more detail, so be sure to check that out. The site changelog contains a full record of SEO tests and custom annotations that you have set up inside of SEO testing. This gives you a full record of when and what changes have been made to your site, and the site changelog is grouped together monthly in order to help with your end-of-month reporting. On the Reports tab, you can see lots of easy-to-use reports based on Google Search Console data. These will help you find SEO test ideas, quick wins within your site's search performance data, report on monthly performance to management or stakeholders, or spot issues with your site. For example, these reports can help you find opportunities to improve your click-through rate, and these reports can help you find different content ideas or new content to work on. The All Queries and All Pages reports are also available in this section, as well as the Keyword Cannibalization report to find out where multiple pages on your site are trying to rank for the same keywords. An important note to make here is that whenever you see a query within SEO testing, you can click on that query and it will take you to the Query Details page, where you can see clicks per day and so on for that particular query. The same applies to URLs. When you click on a URL, we take you to the Page Details view, which, again, has the graph for clicks per day. You can also toggle this to show impressions and so on, but it also shows you all the queries that this page has returned for over the past 90 days. Inside of SEO testing, we refer to content groups as a group of URLs or queries that can be tracked over a long period of time. This is different than SEO tests because there's no set end date to the data collection. SEO testing also has a rank tracking feature, so you can track keyword rankings based on your Google Search Console average position data and compare it to historical periods over the past year. In the account settings section, you can manage your subscription, email alerts, change your password, manage users, and so on. The support tab is where you can find all the support material related to all SEO testing features and functionalities to help you get the most out of our tool. Be sure to check out our other videos about SEO testing, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact our team via the chat widget within your SEO testing account or by emailing support@seotesting.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside of SEO testing.